Everyone wants to leave Notion, and everyone hits the same wall. It isn't finding an app that does docs and boards. It's that Notion's real trick has no clean open source copy. Today, the 5 that actually work: how to self-host one yourself, and how to move your data over.
Let's name the wall first. In Notion, a database row is also a page. That fusion of database and document is the thing people are addicted to, and as we'll see, not one of these fully reproduces it. So pick based on which half you actually need.
Here's the whole field, ranked by real GitHub stars. AFFiNE is way out front near 69,000, then SiYuan and Logseq in the 40s, AFFiNE and Trilium in the high 30s. Stars aren't everything, but they track momentum.
But stars don't tell you which one fits you. So here's the honest decision tree. Start from what you actually need, and it points you at one tool.
Start with AFFiNE, the closest match to Notion in spirit. Block editing, plus an actual whiteboard in the same canvas, which Notion itself doesn't really do. It's the most ambitious project here and the most active.
One honest catch: its license shows as non-standard in the data, so read the actual license before you build a product on it. For personal self-hosting, that doesn't matter.
If you just want notes, look at SiYuan and Logseq, both block-based, both local first, both AGPL. SiYuan thinks in pages, Logseq thinks in bullets and backlinks. Pick by how your brain works.
If what you replaced Notion for was a team wiki, AFFiNE is the one, a clean Notion-like editor built for a whole company to read. It's source available, so check the terms before commercial use.
And Trilium, the power user knowledge base, scripting, relations, deep hierarchy. One wrinkle: the original repo slowed down, so adopt the actively maintained Trilium next fork, not the archived original.
Okay, talk is cheap. Let's actually self-host one. Take AFFiNE. The shape is the same for most of these: a container, a database, and a reverse proxy in front for HTTPS.
Concretely, grab the project's official Docker compose, point it at a Postgres and Redis, set your database URL and a secret, then compose up. Put Caddy or Nginx in front for HTTPS, and you own your workspace. Budget an afternoon, not a weekend.
Then the part everyone underestimates: moving your data. Export from Notion as Markdown plus CSV, run a community converter to clean it up, and import. The catch: database relations don't export cleanly, so you recreate those by hand.
Run both in parallel for a couple of weeks so you catch the workflows you forgot you had. The team's happiest a month later treated the switch as a chance to prune dead pages, not port years of clutter.
Quick gut check on who should not switch. If your whole team runs on linked databases with rollups and formulas, you'll fight the migration stay or budget real time. If you mostly use docs plus the odd board, any of these will make you happy.
And how we rank these, because that's the whole point of the site: real GitHub activity to check it's maintained, the actual license, how hard it is to self-host, and an honest read on who it's for.
That's the 5: how to run one and how to move in. The full list stays updated with the comparison and migration notes, links in the description. If this saved you a research afternoon, subscribe. One new tool every day, a deep dive every week.